Are you tired of your garage door waking up the neighborhood every time you use it? If you're hearing grinding, squeaking, or rattling, these noises can signal a need for lubrication, warn of worn parts, or suggest misalignment. Ignoring these sounds can lead to bigger, more costly issues. Residents in the Helensburgh area, there's no need to endure a noisy garage door. Call us now at 040-977-4111. Our team of qualified professionals is ready to ensure your garage door operates quietly and efficiently with expert repair services tailored just for you.